Alright, hey everyone, and welcome to another vlog. So guys, I finally got a new GPU upgrade for my main rig, for that Mewtwo right over there, not that one, that one. I decided to call it, yeah, I decided to call it Mewtwo because my brother stuck this sticker on here, so like the name stuck. So yeah, anyways, the new GPU I got for, first of all, I've been running the same RTX 3060 Ti that I got from like when I got this first as a pre-built 2 years ago. So I've been running that card ever since. I did momentarily have a 6700 XT last year, but I had like some driver issues with it for like so long that I decided like I'm just gonna switch it back. But like I've been using that card in my secondary system right here, and it hasn't had any like driver like stability issues like as of yet. AMD, like, they worked out the kinks and like the drivers, like make sure it's like much more stable in games and stuff, because I've been having so many issues like with like even like the Sims 4 was crashing on that card. So yeah, but they worked it out with updates over the years. So yeah. So the card that I'm replacing this guy with is this. So yeah, I went with AMD again. So I'm giving them another shot. The first one was a fluke, but we'll gloss over that. We'll give them another try. I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. Hopefully they've had their like early drivers like all sorted out. So yeah, this is the RX 7800 XT. It's got 16 gigs of VRAM. It's got their AMD's next gen of ray tracing, and it has Fidelity FX Super Resolution. So I can't wait to try this out. I'm hoping that this card, or like better yet, my power supply that's in that system right now, the 750 watt, can handle this. It does require two 8-pin PCI connectors, which I do have. So hopefully it'll run it no problem. I do worry about the power draw, because I do have a Ryzen 9 5900X in there. So I'm a little bit worried about the power draw. Hopefully the 750 is enough. Maybe I'll need to upgrade that if it doesn't work, if anything. So yeah, let's open this guy up. All right, I'm excited. Are you ready? I haven't seen it yet. I'm opening it up right now as we speak. So, oh my god, that's a big chunky boy. Oh my god, look at that. That is one thick card. I'm a little worried that this might not even fit, because look at the amount of room that's in there. And I have that big thick radiator, so I don't... Oh god, I hope it'll fit. That is a big ass fucking card. Like, look at this. Put it next to my head. It's even bigger than my head, actually. Holy shit. Alright, now let's just get it out of the plastic packaging. I'm doing this with one hand. Oh my god. Look at... Just freaking look at that. That is huge, dude. Like, oh my god. I don't know if this is gonna fit. And for comedic purposes, this is it compared to a GTS 450. That's me. That's the guy she told me not to worry about. Okay, so cut to about like half an hour later. So what I did was I opened up the back. I added the other supplemental PCI cable that was in the box here. So I did a little test fit, and what I discovered was, while it looks like it can just barely fit, it unfortunately won't clear. So, hey buddy, what you doing? Got a little helper here.
I gotta show you
Mom's phone?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Maybe later, okay. Yeah. So, what I'm gonna have to do now in order to make this clear, that is, unfortunately, I'm probably gonna have to get rid of this radiator, and probably switch it back to air cooling. I currently don't have the old air cooler that I used to have on here, so I'm gonna have to get a new one. Probably get like a Noctua. What do you think about that, buddy?
Yeah.
I should get a Noctua?
Yes.
Yeah, I should get like a Noctua, or maybe a Be Quiet. A Be Quiet air cooler, because like those have some RGB that I could still have like some more flashy lights on here. So yeah, this was nice while it lasted. So I'm gonna get rid of this and go back to the drawing board. Yes, buddy. Okay. Yeah. So it's back to the drawing board with that. So you will see your light in the. You'll have your time to shine, little buddy, or should I say, big guy. Alright, so I said nuts to that idea, so I just took the front panel off just now, and I got rid of the radiator. I just threw it off to the side. Sorry there, old chap. So, let's see if this guy has to fit now. You ready, bud? Yeah, okay, let's do it. Okay, this is gonna be a little difficult trying this one-handed. That's what she said. You don't know what that means yet, buddy, but in a few years... Oh, fuck me. Don't say that. Don't say...
Why is that fuck?
Okay, don't say that.
Why is that fuck?
I'm a good brother, I swear. Alright, so, got it in, and as you can see, it certainly wouldn't have fit with that radiator, like, tucked in there. That would not have worked unless I saw the radiator in half, which I'm not gonna do. So yeah, and don't know if you can tell, but it does sag a little bit. Yeah, not even gonna lie, it does sag. Like it's so noticeable. I can see it. It's like leaning over to the right, off kilter. So yeah, nothing I can do other than getting like a bracket. I think what I'll do is I'll get like a bracket to like lift this side up slightly. I don't know. It does look like an eyesore if you have a bracket there, but like, I don't care. So yeah, it fits. It sits. So what I think I'll do now is that I'll get the two fans off of here, and I'll stick them up over here, because those fans are perfectly fine. They're 140 mil fans, so like that'll bring like more than enough cooling here. So yeah, not the end of the world, but yeah, I still need to get a new air cooler for this. So I'm probably gonna go with like a Be Quiet, something with RGB on it. That's like it fits with this color scheme, this black and gray color scheme. So yeah. Alright, so I just put the front panel back on, so let's just close her up, and yeah, it'll have to continue another day until I get that new CPU cooler installed. This guy's not running anytime soon, so yeah, this guy does deserve a break, because I do use this PC for everything, and I do mean everything, including like streaming, like YouTube, Netflix, not just gaming. So yeah, probably shouldn't overwork the system like this, but like, hey, this Ryzen 5900X, like it's been a trooper the last like year and a half that I've had it. So yeah, I don't know, I shouldn't be working it this hard. That's why I made a whole other system, and I got like several more across this room. So yeah. So this guy deserves a break. It's gonna get it. So yeah, until I get that new CPU cooler, you're gonna sit on the bench now, buddy. So yeah, but that's later. So that's it for this one, guys. So I'll see y'all next time. Peace. And one more thing. What am I going to do with the 3060 Ti that I have left over? Massive hint.
2,000 years later.
Alright, and cut to a few days later. I have since gotten a Be Quiet CPU cooler, so that looks nice and snug. Yeah, I could have fixed the cable management, but like, I'm not too OCD about that. But yeah, look at it. It sits. Look at all that. Yeah, that, because of that radiator, that would not have fit there. So yeah. Yeah, so I just got all the drivers installed. So yeah, let's test this baby out. Alright, on to 3D Mark. Actually, I haven't used this in a long time, so yeah, let's see how this goes. Does anyone else wish that this could have been like made into like a full-blown game? I don't know. I don't know if like this looks kind of interesting. I don't know. All right, and FPS is staying above 100 100 FPS. Oh, I'm in like the 140s. Holy crap! That's so cool. Oh, and another thing, I'm glad that my power supply situation is holding. So so like luckily the 750 watt is probably begging for mercy, but like it is at least running this without a problem. So yeah, it did need 2 8-pin PCI cables. So yeah. All right, pretty stable so far. So I only saw a dip in like the 1% low is like as low as like 88 FPS. So yeah, that's still pretty good. All right, and there's the final score, 1791.6. So I think the last time I did this 3D Mark test with the 6700 XT, it was around like 12 or 13,000. So this is a pretty like sizable increase in performance. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, on to some games. Let me try that. All right, GTA 5 running good. Happy to report I'm getting around like 130, 140 FPS. So looking good so far. All right, into Halo Master Chief Collection. So it is holding at 165, though I think that might be the FPS cap, in all honesty, but looks good. All right, on to Resident Evil 4. So it's holding quite steadily at 165 FPS. So again, I think that might be the FPS cap. Yeah, and lows are lows are at around like 120, 115. So yeah, not too bad. And on to The Sims 4. So I know what you're thinking. Eris, like this game can run on most graphing calculators. Why are you even testing this one? And well, the reason is I put the most of my time into The Sims 4. Like I have over 4,000 hours of game time on here, and so yeah, I can report that Sims 4 runs good on the RX 7800 XT. So yeah, I'm just pinging off the 200 FPS like limiter. So yeah. So that's about it for like the update portion of this one. So happy to report that the card works. The card is stable. The jury's still out on that. So I still have like fond memories of the 6700 XT like just crashing in games, but like I haven't had any crashes so far. I've actually had this running for like a few hours now, and nothing's happened so far. So yeah, holding together like that. And another thing, I'm a little bummed out that like yeah, I no longer have water cooling, but the Be Quiet CPU cooler has gotten like a lot of good reviews, so there is that at least. So guys, with that, that's it for this one. So see you guys next time. Peace.